Welcome to this exciting video on TikTok ad strategies. If you're looking to step up your advertising game and tap into the massive and highly engaged user base on TikTok, you're in the right place. We've got all the expert insights and data-driven techniques you need to create winning ads that can reach millions of young, engaged users and drive real ROI for your business. Whether you're a seasoned advertising pro or just starting out, we'll guide you through the benefits of advertising on TikTok and the latest strategies for creating effective campaigns using TikTok Business Manager. Let's dive right in. With the explosive growth of TikTok, it has become a vital platform for businesses to reach out to the younger demographic. But the question remains, why should businesses invest in advertising on TikTok? In this section, we will explore the numerous benefits that TikTok advertising can provide to businesses looking to expand their reach and engage with their target audience. With its massive user base of over 1 billion active users and its powerful algorithm that targets content to users' interests, TikTok offers an unparalleled opportunity for businesses to reach their target audience more effectively than ever before. And with its highly engaging and interactive ad formats, including branded effects and hashtag challenges, TikTok is the perfect platform to build brand awareness and drive user engagement. But that's not all. With its relatively more affordable advertising rates and customizable budgets and bidding options, TikTok is a cost-effective way to achieve your advertising goals and drive real ROI for your business. Now that we've covered the benefits of advertising on TikTok, let's move on to some of the winning strategies for TikTok ads working with our clients. First things first, we take a deep dive into our clients' business goals to develop customized advertising strategies that align with their unique needs. Through extensive research, we identify the target audience for the ad campaign and create ad content that's both engaging and visually appealing. Our team of creative professionals then uses cutting-edge techniques to produce high-quality video and visual content that captivates viewers and drives engagement. We collaborate with popular TikTok influencers and leverage trendy music, dance challenges, and hashtags to create ads that are not only entertaining but also highly effective. Let me give you a couple examples to show you how we put our strategy into practice. For a fast food restaurant chain looking to reach a younger audience, we created a series of fun and engaging videos featuring popular TikTok influencers eating at the restaurant and showcasing their favorite menu items. The result? Millions of views and thousands of user-generated videos featuring the restaurant's food, leading to a significant increase in brand awareness and engagement on TikTok. For a cosmetics company looking to launch a new product line, we created visually stunning videos featuring popular TikTok influencers showcasing the new products in creative and exciting ways. Leveraging TikTok's sponsored hashtag challenge feature, we encouraged user-generated content and generated significant engagement and buzz around the new product line. The result? Millions of views and thousands of user-generated videos featuring the brand's products, leading to a significant increase in sales and brand awareness. Now that we've covered our strategic approach, let's talk about how to win big with TikTok ads. Our data-driven approach to ad format selection, budget optimization, and performance monitoring can help you achieve real ROI on this exciting platform. To start, we carefully select the ad format and optimize the budget and bidding to ensure maximum effectiveness for our clients. With in-depth knowledge of TikTok's ad formats, we create campaigns that are tailored to our clients' specific needs and objectives. We continually monitor the campaign's performance and make data-driven decisions to optimize and fine-tune the campaign as needed to achieve the desired results. For a fitness apparel company looking to increase brand awareness and drive online sales, we selected TikTok's in-feed ad format to showcase the brand's products in a visually stunning and engaging way. By closely monitoring the campaign's performance and making data-driven decisions, we were able to improve the campaign's effectiveness over time. As a result, the fitness apparel company saw a significant increase in brand awareness and online sales, with high engagement rates for the in-feed ads. For a mobile app developer looking to increase app installs and user engagement, we selected TikTok's sponsored hashtag challenge format to encourage users to download and engage with the app. By closely monitoring the campaign's performance and making data-driven decisions, we were able to improve the campaign's effectiveness over time. The mobile app developer saw a significant increase in app installs and user engagement, with thousands of user-generated videos and high engagement rates for the hashtag challenge. In addition to our strategic approach and data-driven techniques, there are a few best practices that you should keep in mind when creating ads for TikTok. First, make sure your ad content aligns with the platform's culture and values. TikTok is all about creativity, fun, and authenticity, so your ads should reflect these qualities. Be playful, use humor, and don't be afraid to take risks with your content. Second, keep your ads short and sweet. TikTok's format is all about short-form video content, so aim for ads that are 15 to 30 seconds long. You want to capture viewers' attention quickly and hold it for the duration of the ad. Third, leverage user-generated content. TikTok is all about community and user-generated content, so consider incorporating user-generated videos into your ad campaigns. You can use TikTok's Duet feature to create collaborative content with users, or run a hashtag challenge to encourage user-generated content. Finally, test and iterate your ad campaigns. Don't be afraid to try different ad formats, targeting options, and creative approaches. Use data to make informed decisions and continually optimize your campaigns for maximum effectiveness. Before we wrap this video up, here is the step-by-step process of creating winning campaigns using each of TikTok's ad formats. Step 1. Sign up for a TikTok Ads account. It's quick, easy, and the first step to getting your brand in front of millions of potential customers. Step 2. Create a campaign that aligns with your goals. Whether you want to increase brand awareness or drive traffic to your website, TikTok has options to help you achieve your objectives. Step 3. Set your targeting and budget to ensure you're reaching the right people at the right time with the right message. With TikTok's advanced targeting options, you can choose from a range of demographics and interests to ensure you're connecting with your ideal audience. Step 4. Create engaging ad content that captures attention and drives results. Use images, videos, or carousel ads to showcase your products or services, and add a branded hashtag challenge or a branded effect to increase engagement. Step 5. Launch your ad and watch your brand take off. TikTok offers various ad placements to reach your audience, including in-feed ads, brand takeovers, sponsored hashtag challenges, and more. Step 6. Monitor and optimize your ad performance to achieve the best results. TikTok Ads Manager provides in-depth insights to track your ad's performance and make necessary adjustments to improve its performance. That's a wrap for today's video, folks. If you found this content valuable and learned something new, don't forget to show some love by smashing that like button and hitting that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll become part of our vibrant community of SEO, PPC, and cash flow fanatics.